Here we go.
Hi Pre-K families, I'm Suzie Kelley, the Pre-K Director for Cabot Public Schools. I am so excited to welcome you to a brand new school year because this is where the adventure begins. Pre-K students in Cabot have their own space, their own campus, and their own big adventure. At Cabot Pre-K North and Pre-K South, teachers are already setting up classrooms and getting ready to welcome your child. We are so excited, and we hope you are too. Here are a few important things to know. All Pre-K students will be car riders. You will receive more information about drop-off and pickup procedures at open house. Pre-K follows a different calendar than K-12. Please make sure you're looking at the correct calendar. You can find it on our website under the Parents and Students tab or in the free Cabot Public Schools app under Resources. Pre-K students begin school on Friday, August 14th. Teachers will hold a required beginning of the year meeting with each family on August 12th or 13th. On Tuesday, August 4th, families will receive an email with their child's teacher assignment and an invitation to schedule their beginning of the year meeting, so be on the lookout for that exciting news. Then, make plans to attend open house on Thursday, August 6th from 3 to 7 p.m. It's a drop-in event and your child's teacher can't wait to meet you. Remember, the first day of Pre-K is Friday, August 14th. Drop-off starts at 7:15 a.m., the first bell is at 7:50, and students are considered tardy after 8 o'clock. Dismissal is at 2:30. If you are arriving late or picking up early, please check in at the main office. There's no supply fee for Pre-K. Just send your child with a backpack, a lunchbox if they're bringing lunch from home, and a pre-filled water bottle. And don't forget, Pre-K North and Pre-K South each have their own websites on cabotschools.org, plus their own individual Facebook pages. Be sure to follow along for updates, reminders, and a peek inside our classrooms. We know you may still have questions, and that's okay. You'll get a chance to ask at open house, or feel free to reach out before then. Just give me a call at 843-3363 or email me at suzie.kelley@cabotschools.org. We are ready and we are so excited. We cannot wait to meet you and your family because at Cabot Pre-K, this is where the adventure begins.